Once upon a time, there was a turtle named Herman. Now, Herman wasn't an ordinary turtle. He had ambition. Ambition to fly, that is.
So Herman wants to fly like the birds. Ha, ha, ha.
All I have to do is like this.
Well, Shorty, still trying to make like a birdie, eh? Now run along and keep your feet on the ground. You'll never fly. You're a turtle. You gotta have wings, boy.
By jing, I'll get me some wings.
This guy kills me. Why don't you give up? You'll never fly. You ain't got no feathers.
Huh. Feathers, eh? Feathers? Mr. Eagle, you could teach me to fly. Will you show me how? Will you, huh? If you take me up, I'll give you treasures and jewels I found in the sea.
Treasures and jewels? How much?
I'll get more.
Let's go, Bob. Is this high enough?
No, higher.
No tricks now. Now?
Higher!
My ears are popping. The end of the line, Shorty.
Roger, watch me fly now. No! Here I
that, folks, is the end of our story. And the end of Herman. Wait, what's that?
I can fly! I can fly! I can fly! I can fly! I can fly!